Hi, this is Ram. Today we are going to see a very simple technical indicator. The name is Super Trend. So before going into the video, actually this particular video I made as a part 3 video, and before to it I made 2 parts. So anybody missed out to see those parts, I request you people to go and check the link in the description so that you can see those parts also, so that it will be useful and it will be understandable about the basics of technical indicator and what are the usage in the trading. So let's go into the video now. So here this is basically the price chart, and I had opened Nifty 50. This is a 5-minute candlestick chart, and here you can see study. You click it out, and I'm searching here as a super, so automatically it will appear super trend, right? So now you can see some lines, right, in green and red. So green lines are like it is indicating that the market is bullish, and the red line, whatever you are seeing here, is which means that the red lines are indicating that the market is on downtrend, like bearish. The market is basically bearish. So here let us see the settings now. First of all, so here you can see two major parts like period and multiplier. So here you can see the basic setting is like 7 and 3. So the traders, what they used to do based on their experience or based on their belief, they used to keep on, or they used to have their own settings. Like if suppose I am changing this to 5 and I am keeping this multiplier as 3 only, so what are the changes happening? So I cannot see a major change at all. Earlier how the lines were, it is very similar now also. So even again I am changing this to 10 and keeping the multiplier same as 3. So even now also I am not seeing any drastic change, right? At the same time, suppose I am changing the multiplier here, like 10 is the period, and the multiplier here I am typing as 5, right? So yes, now I can see a major change, right? Because earlier here itself the trend line was showing that the market is bearish, but here it is completely green now, and a small red, then again it is completely green, because earlier here I can see a small red and a green after that. So here you can see the major change. So which means that the multiplier basically plays a major role in this particular indicator. And this back calculation, if you check, actually this is related with the ATR, the other indicator called as average true range. It is also basically an technical indicator, and this super trend, especially this multiplier calculation, is calculated or basically arrives from the ATR movement. So coming here, if suppose again I am changing the period to 5 again, what will happen? Let us see. So here also I cannot see any major change now. So which means that it is clear that if suppose we are changing the multiplier, we can see the drastic variation, right? So here I am changing it to 3 now. Yes, now I think you can see the clear change, right, in the trend lines. So which means that if you are reducing the multiplier, then the signal will be drastically changing, right? Here it is green now, so suddenly it is showing some red, again it is a small green, then again it is showing in red. So the trader who want to capture the big picture, the big movement will have a higher multiplier. If suppose you are keep on increasing the multiplier, then the trend change will be minimized. If suppose the trader wants to capture the small movement also, then the multiplier should be less. So which means that 3, I think 3 will be obviously bit less in number. If suppose I am making further down, what will happen? Let us see. So 5 and multiplier is 2. Again you can see, right, a small red is also appearing here. Earlier it was not there. So which means that if suppose the small movement needs to be captured, I think 5 period and 3 multiplier will be helpful. So it purely depends on the trader's experience and their belief and their knowledge, right? So this is what all about the super trend, and this particular technical indicator alone, if you are using in the day trade, then surely the percentage of winning situation will be very less, because this also having so much of lagging or so much of drawbacks in this particular indicator. Because as you can see here, there is a huge green line or continuous green line you can see. After that, even I had selected 5 period and 3 as a multiplier. See here, there is a red line, trend line here, but the market is slightly gone up, then it came down, then again it is quite small bullish was there in the market, then again it is okay, at least it is showing that here it is bearish quite, and again you can see here it is like a flat movement here, but again this particular trend line is showing that the market will be bearish. So it is clear that the trader should not depends only on this particular technical indicator. So the trader needs to combine with some other indicator called parabolic SAR or MACD or any other volume technical indicator can be combined with this particular indicator, so that the decisions for the entry and exit will be clear, so that he won't be in loss end of the day. Let us also see some example here of the winning trade and the losing trade. If suppose we are using this super trend, how the successive trade will be and how the failure trade will be, like how it will make us to win and how it will make us to be in loss in the trading. So let us see some examples of it.